I'm Edward. For today's topic, we're going to discuss about IFTTT. What is that? So IFTTT stands for if this then that. Okay. So it's like a command in a programming language. Like if you create a program, it's like a format that if you're doing this, then do this. If this, then if this, then that. Okay. IFTTT, automation for business and home. Start today. So we're going to sign up first. So this is my first time signing up or already on connect. Let's just use connect with Google since sometimes I tend to forget the logins. So it's easier if you just use connect with Google option. And I have a lot of logins, so most likely I will forget the logins for this. Okay, it's signing in now. So it's asking for us to authorize IFTTT to Google. So let's just try it for free. So if you want the paid or professional type, you're going to pay $2.99. Or, oops, it's asking for payment. Not now. So this is the home page for IFTTT. Here are the options, what we're going to automate. Let's explore and see what's the best automation here. Post your result page. Get a summary or email of tasks you have completed this week. Sonos, Google Drive camera. So there's a lot. So create your own YouTube to Google Drive. If this, so what if? If this, so what we're going to do? Facebook, Blogger, Google. So here are the apps or social media. Okay, so some apps I'm not using it. Blogger, Loop Connect. Okay, that's quite a lot of um, software. Google Form, Facebook page. So let's try Facebook page. New status message. This trigger fires every time you create a new status message. New status message, new link post. Suggest a trigger. Um, what Maybe let's try YouTube first. YouTube. So YouTube upload. YouTube upload. Hmm. I think that's just a suggestion. New super chat. This triggers forest when there's a new super chat message in a live chat during live stream. New public video uploaded by you. Let's connect YouTube. So if we're going to upload a new video, I was able to set up the IFTTT. If a new public video uploaded, then create a link post on Edward Dupal-ag. So that's my automation. So I connected the YouTube, my YouTube um, account, and also I created or I linked the Facebook account. Notify me when this runs. So if you want a notification, notify me if this fails. So you can enable or disable that. And check the log of your applet, publish this applet so anyone can use it. So that's my automation, and this is my Facebook account. It will show here if ever I upload a new video in YouTube. Okay, that's it. And thank you for watching. Buyers.